The restaurant industry is evolving fast. Are you keeping up? Customers expect speed, convenience, and a seamless experience when they dine out or order in. And if your restaurant still relies on pen and paper orders, outdated POS systems, or third-party apps taking huge commissions, well, then you're falling behind. But here's the good news. A digital ordering system changes everything. Here are reasons why you need a restaurant order management system. More orders, less hassle. A slow ordering process means longer wait times, frustrated customers, and lost revenue. With a digital ordering system like MenuTiger, customers can scan a QR code, browse the menu, and place their order instantly without having to wait for a server. Orders go straight to the kitchen, reducing miscommunication and keeping everything running smoothly. Customers prefer direct ordering. Now, studies show that 70% of customers prefer to order directly from restaurants instead of third-party apps. Why? Well, because they trust you more, and they know they're getting the best prices. With MenuTiger's built-in ordering system, you keep the profits instead of giving away commissions to third-party platforms. Easier menu updates and customization. Menu changes shouldn't be this headache. You should have the freedom of testing new dishes or updating prices or, running limited time offers. And MenuTiger lets you do it all in seconds. No more reprinting menus or making last-minute edits. With MenuTiger, you get full control over your menu anytime, anywhere. Boosted efficiency with less staff. Labor costs are rising and staffing shortages continue to be a challenge. A smart restaurant order management system helps you serve more customers with fewer staff. MenuTiger automates order taking, reducing the need for extra hands while ensuring every guest gets great service. Restaurants that are keeping up with digital ordering systems are thriving. So don't wait until your competitors take the lead. Try MenuTiger today and see how easy it is to streamline operations, increase sales, and keep customers coming back. Just click the link in the description box to start your digital journey today. And before you go, like this video, subscribe for more restaurant business tips, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest challenge your restaurant is facing? Let's talk.